it's Mikayla. So today I'm going to be doing the small YouTuber tag. Before I get into this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and follow my social media right there, Mikayla Jayde218, and let's get into the video. So if you don't know what the small YouTuber tag is, it is pretty much a tag that has a bunch of questions to answer so the audience knows what your channel's about. The first question is, what inspired you to start making videos? I can't remember what I said in my last video, but I had a friend that did like singing covers and stuff on her channel, and like I wanted to be like her, so that's what my channel started off like. So yeah, she is the person who inspired me, and then I started doing singing videos myself, which was a huge mistake, but that is what inspired me to start doing YouTube. So yeah. Second question is, how long have you been on YouTube and have you had any other channels? I've had tons of other channels that I posted on, like literally a ton of channels. 5 years ago, I've been on YouTube for 5 years. Wow, that is a long time of embarrassment. Third question is, where do you see yourself and your channel in 5 years? So, if I'm being honest, this has probably been my most successful channel so far that I'm actually proud of. Like, I've had successful channels in the past, but like deleting those videos because I just wasn't proud of them. Like, I have a video on YouTube that's gotten over 150,000 views, and it was to do with a selfie stick. I think it's 150,000 views, but that was on a channel that I just wasn't happy with. I do see myself, if I stick to this and I put in the hard work and effort to take this channel where I want it to go, then I am more than capable of doing that, and I can see myself being successful in the future. But if I don't put in the effort, then obviously I can't expect miracles to happen. So what message are you trying to get across with your videos? I don't really have necessarily a message. I definitely promote veganism on my channel. All of the products that I show, or like all the skincare and beauty products, everything is vegan. 100% vegan, cruelty free, you know it, like that's just what I am passionate about and what I believe in, so that's what I promote on this channel. I would never promote anything animal cruelty wise. That could be a message that I have, although most of my videos are beauty based, or that I want them to be more beauty based, but my message would definitely be something along the lines of promoting veganism within the beauty community, because there's just not enough of it in my opinion. And a lot of animals suffer unnecessarily, and so I would love to promote more and more of that and grow my following to promote vegan products that other people haven't heard of before. Next question is, do people from school find your channel? Yes, they do find my channel. It is annoying because they always like purposely search me up and put in that hard effort to like search me up kind of thing. But honestly, I couldn't give a fuck anymore. Like, I'm in year 12, I'm not in year 7 anymore. I don't care what people think of me like I did when I first started YouTube, which is one of the main reasons why I kept making new YouTube channels, because I was trying to strive for perfection. People, like my friends have come across my YouTube videos, like I don't really care about that, but it's more like people who think they're better than you, you know what I mean? But like, they don't have a channel and they haven't proved that they're better than you, kind of, you know what I mean? Like, so yeah, people from my school do find my channel, but lately I don't think that many people know on my channel, but like I don't actually know because nobody's told me about it. Next question. Sixth question is, what does your username mean? My username is just my name, Mikayla Jayde. Like, it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't have one of those like names like Golden Glitter, you know what I mean? Like, I don't have one of those names. I think I like tried to make one of those like in the past, but then like a month later on that channel I hated my name. What is your favorite, or who is your favorite small YouTuber? If I'm being honest, I don't really watch small YouTubers. I'm very particular on who I like, and that just happens to be bigger people. But I remember back in the past, I used to be obsessed with Saphira Fashion. Saphira How. When I got to her YouTube channel, she had like 20,000, and now she's over 100,000, so it's crazy. But yeah, she was my favourite small YouTuber. I really liked her content back in the day. I don't really watch her as much anymore, just because I don't understand her content anymore. Like, it's just not what I'm interested in. Yeah, she was awesome at providing like advice for me, like period advice, and like I loved her story times and stuff. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this video of the small YouTuber tag. It was fun doing this video, very fun. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you let me know by liking, commenting and subscribing. Make sure you follow my social media right there. Did I say that wrong? I don't know. Right there, Mikayla Jayde 218. And yeah, that concludes this video and I'm gonna go now.